So here at Oasis Academy Connaught, we've worked with the Square Food Foundation for a number of years to try to incorporate food into our curriculum and to make it a really big part of the children's everyday lives. This week, we've taken part in the story of Bread Week, where we've again involved every year group from nursery through to year 6 in discovering how our bread ends up on our table. We've encouraged the children in classes to find out how it grows, how does it start, what happens in the fields, how do the farmers produce it, and then the children have all taken part in making their own loaf of bread. This experience has been wonderful for the children. They've all been able to be creative and to use their imaginations. They've all produced their bread and are taking it home to their families. This is a really important thing because we want families to embrace the children's education and to be a part of their learning. And this really links everybody together. Our whole community can be part of our Bread Week together. So this kind of project's really important because children learn in very different ways. So being able to learn with your hands rather than just being spoken to in the classroom is really important for children. And we want them to understand where their food comes from. The children are quite disengaged with food at the moment. They just get it given to them or just go to the shops and pick it up. They don't necessarily know where food comes from. Many of our children don't know that it comes from a farm, can't really tell you what a farm animal is. So this kind of education allows us to expand the children's wider knowledge and give them a chance to learn what's outside of their local community and what's happening in our world, where our food comes from. The children had a chance to explore what breads come from different parts of the world and why those breads come from those parts of the world, because that's the grain that they're able to grow because of their climate. So it's given the children a really worldly knowledge just from this one small programme. Just seeing the smiles on their faces and the enjoyment they're getting is magical, and I think that will enthuse any adult to keep that up and keep doing that and make that a real part of children's everyday education.